Tool Time with Darrell. This here is a 3D printed vacuum form tool for returnable dunnage pallet. We're a great fit to low to medium volume parts. 500 to 1,000 parts is our sweet spot. This tool costs $3,225 and printed in 6 hours. Our customer let us know that their aluminum alternative cost $8,100. Our customer cells were about half the cost and half the time of a traditional aluminum tool. Contact us if you're looking for a 3D printed tool that has no delamination, 100% porosity, 50 RA surface finish, and capable of forming thousands of parts for half the cost and half the time.